The next tool that I want to show you is the Rotate tool. So what we can do is we can grab anything we want. We can grab a whole bunch of objects. RO for Rotate. That will put another bounding box across the whole object. This point over here, this is saying where the rotation will start, where the axis of the rotation is. I'm going to drag that. I'm holding my mouse over that, I'm putting my mouse on that point, and I'm dragging it to, say, a corner. This stick represents where the rotation is going to start from, so let's say I put it over here. I click to start the rotation, and then I move it where I want that rotation to end. So I'm going to click it over here. And I've rotated all of them 90 degrees. Let's say I wanted to rotate it at a specific distance. I can select the whole thing, RO for Rotate, move my mouse where I want that rotation to start from, so I'm going to say that corner, and I'm going to click to start the rotation, and I'm going to type in a specific distance. I'm going to say, give me a rotation of, say, 15 degrees. If I draw another wall just to show you, again, draw a wall, triangle, escape, escape. Select the whole triangle. RO for Rotate, move the point where I want the rotation to start from, click to start it, and then click to end the rotation.